In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage account settings in Constant Contact. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to update your profile, billing information, users, and email settings, and how to save everything confidently. First, log into your Constant Contact account. Use your usual credentials and sign in as you normally would. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. It's typically a small circle or avatar. Click that icon to open a quick menu. From there, choose Account Settings. This is the central place where you control the core details of your account, and it's the best starting point whenever something about your organization, billing, team access, or email defaults needs attention. Inside Account Settings, begin by reviewing your profile details. This usually includes your organization name, primary contact information, and your time zone. Keeping this accurate is important for brand consistency and scheduling. It also helps ensure the correct information appears in your email footer and contact details. Take a moment to confirm everything looks current and professional. Next, move to Billing. Here you can verify your payment method and see your plan information and invoices. Make sure your card details and billing address are up to date so your service stays uninterrupted. It's also helpful to confirm the email address where receipts or notifications go so you don't miss anything important. Then check your users. If your team collaborates in Constant Contact, this is where you manage who has access and what they can do. Review existing users and their roles, and make sure access levels match each person's responsibilities. Keeping this tidy protects your account and streamlines your workflow. Finally, review your email settings. This is where you'll set your default sender name, from address, and reply to address. These defaults carry through to new campaigns, saving you time and helping your audience immediately recognize your messages. Also confirm your physical mailing address is correct in the footer to stay compliant with email regulations and maintain trust with your subscribers. After you've made your updates, look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom or top right of the page, and click Save. Give it a moment to confirm changes. If you navigate away without saving, your updates may be lost, so it's a good habit to save as you go. That's it. You've logged in, opened account settings from your profile icon, reviewed and edited your profile, billing, users, and email settings, and clicked Save. Thanks for watching, and keep your account details current for smoother campaigns and a more reliable email marketing experience.